In this video, we will use FileWriter and FileReader to write characters to the file, then read those characters from a file. First, I need to import Java IO package. Then I will define a character array. Data, and then new data, and give it size of 100. And then I will have another variable size and initialize it to 0. Now I will create a file object, and I need to surround it with try and catch block to catch exception. It may throw IO exception, so I need to catch that one. Over here is a mistake, it's a character array. CHAR, CHAR. Okay, in our try block, I will go with file and then new file, just in a file object. And here I need to give the name of the file that I want to create and write into. So I'm just gonna give file.txt in my C directory, or maybe if I already have that one, I will go with the file one. So now we need to create an actual file. With that, we can use FileWriter class. FileWriter, FileWriter, and then create this object, new FileWriter, and pass in our file object. Now this will create an actual file, and then we can write some characters to the file by calling its function write. File write dot writer dot write, and pass in some characters such as hello world, and then a new line character also. Let me add the catch block too. I have not added that one yet. Catch IO section, and here I'm just going to print e dot print tag trace, and I have written a characters to file. Just for simple example, I will write just these characters, and now I'm going to flush before closing FileWriter. FileWriter dot flush, and now I'm going to close it. FileWriter dot close, and now we need to read these characters, so I'm going to use FileReader class. FileReader FileReader, and then create this object. new file reader and pass in our file object because we want to read from the same file. And now I will call file reader objects function read dot read and pass in our data character array data. It will read those character into this character array, and if you want to print the size, how many character it read, so we can save it in size variable, and then we can print out how many the size of how many character we read. So we are going to do system dot out dot print line characters, number of characters we read, number of characters on this. And over here you need to give the size variable, and now we can loop through our character array and print each character by using for loop for c and then our data. So we are going to loop through our character array data that we read from file and print each character. System.out.print line, and just give it pass in the C. And after this is done, we need to close file reader. We can do that by calling this function close, so that's not hard to do. Reader file reader dot close, just save it. So we just need to run, right click, or you can run from here too, and just run. So you can see in the output we are able to write to file and then read those characters. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep supporting us, and thank you for watching.